Welcome back to Over the Hill Acres. Part 3 of the snowplow build. My son Josh is out there welding at the moment. I'll get out right out there. He showed up when I wasn't here and started the project, so I'm a little behind. Let's catch up. Look at that, just like a professional. Well, it's not supposed to do that. Cutting these down to fit right. There is a technique to that.
If you were to just take and start here and just plunge right into it and try to cut down, wouldn't have a thing by there. So you get your line and just score it, and then maybe go back once or twice more through there, just nice and lightly.
Gotcha.
And by then you're cut halfway through. And don't put a lot of down pressure. Let the wheel do itself, you know.
I understand. Okay, now we'll switch to the next step. Okay, got it all set and level. Now he's going to get it tack welded in place, and then finish welding it in place. Good, I'm glad this will be done before winter. I'll get it cleaned up and throw a coat of paint on it. Just about done. Talking to myself over here. Nice thing about the editing program, I can edit all that crap out that we just said. Boy, having that tractor with them forks on sure comes in handy. Okay, Josh is gone at the moment. The plow's all done. Well, almost all done. I want to throw a little paint on it, but it's all welded together. I do believe I'm going to try and put a gusset from here down to here on both sides of these just to help reinforce it. I believe in the old school of overkill, so I'm gonna cut a few of those at work probably Monday or Tuesday and have them put on, but for the most part it's done. I could use it if I needed to right now, no problem. I'm very thankful that my son came over and got this done and out of the way. So we'll get a little paint on it, and I'll show you the finished project in a different video. I just walked out here to throw a few scraps in for my chicken. Yes, I only have one chicken. We had 11 at one time this year, was doing great, and we got a family of raccoons decided to move into the old part of the barn, and they played havoc. They got into a chicken coop. They killed all the chickens but one. Needless to say, there are no more raccoons in that family. I managed to eradicate all of them. And I ended up taking 5 out of here. So now I'm down to just one chicken left. I'm not going to keep her for the winter time. My neighbor, his little grandson has 7 or 8 chickens. He's going to take her for me, so she's got a home to be in, so she isn't here all by herself for the winter time. She'll have some friends to be with, so she'll be moving to her new home this weekend. Let me tell you, this fall has been so beautiful. I haven't remembered a fall like this in a while. It's been dry. Usually our falls around here are a little on the wet side. This year it's been a little on the dry side. Could stand to have a little more rain, but it's been beautiful out. I'm kind of bummed because I really like to hunt, especially bow hunting. Right now is the best time to be out for our bow hunting season. But this kidney stone I'm battling with has kept me from going to the woods. And oh well, it is what it is. So we'll get out hunting hopefully for gun season. Wednesday I go in for my minor surgery to have that kidney stone removed, and hopefully I'll be back up and running like a top. We'll see. I'll leave my son's name and number and contact information in the description of this video, so if you're in the Bear Lake, Pennsylvania area and need any welding done, he's got the mobile unit. He'd be more than glad to come over and take a look and give you an estimate, and go from there. If it's something he can do in his little shop, he'll take it with him. If not, he can do it right there on site. So hope you all have a good night. I'm gonna go in and grab something to eat. It's about supper time, and relax a little. So take care and God bless.